for today, I'm going to teach you how to play ang Huling El Bimbo by Eraserheads on guitar. So, let's get started. So, ang intro ay may tatlong chords. So, first is G. So, G here. The second chord is A7. 7. Then next is C. C. Then, balik tayo sa G. So, that's the intro. So, gagawin nyo to twice. Then, we're going to pause after. So, twice. C, then go back to G, pause. Then pagpasok ng unang verse, ang first chord nyo ay A7. A7. C. Verse and intro pareho lang ng chords. So G, A7, then C, then balik sa G. So verse and intro. Now for the refrain, so you're going to have 4 chords. So 4 chords. So first chord is E minor. So E minor. Next is C. Next is G. So, pagkatapos ng E minor ay G. Then C. And D. So ito yung refrain. Then sa chorus ay gagamitin nyo lang yung chords sa intro at verse. So, we have G, then A7, C, G. So, chorus, then verse na naman, then refrain, E minor, G, C, and D. So, yun lang ang chord pattern na ginamit sa kantang ito. So, I hope this video helped you and see you next time.